So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can clear cache in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. Let's get started with the video. Just go ahead and open your Finder. Your Finder should look like this, and now just go ahead and tap on the search bar right here. You can see this, and just type in cache. After you do that, you will find many options that says media cache, motion blur cache, and many other medias of cache. You can just go ahead and select them and delete them in that order. And there you go. That's how you delete cache in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.